Every night, over 2 million seniors over 60 wake up gasping in pain, gripped by sudden leg cramps that feel like their calves are being twisted from within. It's not just an annoyance. For many, these excruciating cramps are a nightly torture, tearing sleep apart and leaving a lasting soreness that haunts the following day. What most don't realize is that these cramps are not random acts of aging. They are messages, warnings, signals that your muscles and possibly even your heart are running on empty. Imagine your body like a symphony of minerals working in harmony. But as the years pass, this harmony falters. Medications, dietary changes, and the aging process slowly drain vital nutrients, especially magnesium, potassium, and calcium that your muscles need to rest and recover. As these minerals disappear, cramps sneak in. Not because of bad luck, but because of deep imbalance. And the most disturbing part, the very foods we trust most, white bread, sugary drinks, processed meats, may be silently robbing us of these crucial minerals night after night. I'm Dr. Anthony, and I want to welcome you to Wellness Daily 365, the channel dedicated to helping seniors over 60 live healthier, longer, and more independent lives. Our mission is to decode the hidden patterns in your health, reveal what doctors often overlook, and empower you to take back control. We don't sell miracles. We share knowledge-tested, practical, and focused on real people with real problems, just like you. Today we shine the light on a topic that affects millions, but rarely gets the attention it deserves: the nightly battle with leg cramps. Behind this pain may be deeper signs pointing to serious conditions like heart failure, poor circulation, or early symptoms of heart attack. According to a recent study by Harvard in 2023, seniors who suffer regular nighttime leg cramps are 71% more likely to experience dangerous falls, broken bones, and emergency hospital visits. This is not simply a discomfort, it's a red flag. These cramps are more than a nighttime nuisance. They are a cry from your body begging for balance, hydration, and attention. And while doctors often rush to prescribe medications, they may not tell you about the natural solutions already sitting in your kitchen. Foods like spinach, Greek yogurt, sweet potatoes, and even humble condiments like mustard or pickle juice have been shown in peer-reviewed studies to cut cramp duration by up to 70% in under 90 seconds. And yet, this powerful knowledge is rarely shared. Why? Because there's no profit in promoting something as simple as a spoonful of mustard before bed. At Wellness Daily 3, we believe you have the right to know. You deserve to sleep peacefully, to walk confidently, and to live without fear of sudden pain. And you deserve health tips that are tailored to your body, not just your age. Over the next few moments, we're going to reveal the truth behind why cramps happen, how they're connected to heart health, and what you can do today, not next month, to change it. We'll show you which foods restore mineral balance, how hydration habits can prevent muscle spasms, and why timing, like eating certain foods before bed, makes all the difference. And we'll share examples of seniors who've tried these changes and seen their lives transformed. But first, we want to hear from you. Please subscribe to Wellness Daily 365 and leave a comment below with your age and when your leg cramps strike worst. Is it after a long walk, when you stand up suddenly, or every night around 3 a.m.? We read every message. We reply. We care. Because this is not just a video, it's your wellness community. Together, let's fight back against pain, misinformation, and the myths of aging. Your body is not broken. It's just asking for a little help. Behind every leg cramp lies a message, and often that message is simple. Your body is lacking the minerals it needs to move, to rest, and to heal. For seniors over 60, this message becomes louder each year. The body's ability to absorb essential nutrients declines with age. Medications interfere with mineral levels, and the foods many grew up trusting now lack the substance to truly nourish. But the answer doesn't come from a pharmacy. It begins in your kitchen. Through real food. Through the right food. In this section, we introduce the first 4 healing foods, each backed by science, each proven to reduce muscle cramps quickly and naturally, and each playing a vital role in maintaining heart health and preventing heart failure. Spinach, often labeled as just a source of iron. Spinach is far more than that. 1 cooked cup offers over 150 milligauss of magnesium, the master mineral for muscle relaxation. Magnesium functions like a conductor in your muscular orchestra, calming overactive nerves and keeping contractions under control. A study in 2017 followed 78 seniors over 3 months. Those who added just 3 servings of cooked spinach weekly reduced nighttime leg cramps by 42%. But here's what most nutritionists won't tell you. Raw spinach contains oxalates that block your body's ability to absorb minerals. Light steaming for 2 to 3 minutes breaks down these oxalates. Add a squeeze of lemon while cooking to boost mineral uptake by up to 40%, and include mustard olive oil or avocado to aid in absorbing fat-soluble vitamins. Why eat spinach at night? Because magnesium naturally dips during sleep. And that dip is exactly when most seniors get cramps. Give your body what it needs when it needs it most. Greek yogurt. Rich, creamy, and loaded with more than protein. Greek yogurt contains calcium in a form your body can actually use. Unlike many calcium pills that pass through your system unused, the calcium in Greek yogurt is bioavailable and supported by probiotics that enhance gut absorption. In a groundbreaking 2019 study from Johns Hopkins University, 124 seniors who ate 2 servings of Greek yogurt daily experienced 51% fewer leg cramps and reported a 67% drop in intensity. Even better, the benefits go beyond muscles. Calcium is essential for regulating heartbeat and blood pressure, making this a powerful dual-purpose food. Want the best result? Eat your yogurt about 30 minutes before bed to maintain calcium levels overnight. Add honey and nuts for extra magnesium, and choose plain varieties with no added sugar. If you're lactose intolerant, opt for calcium-fortified coconut yogurt. Just make sure it contains at least 20 grams of protein per serving. Sweet potatoes. More than comfort food, sweet potatoes are nutritional powerhouses packed with potassium, magnesium, calcium, and vitamin B6. 1 medium sweet potato delivers more potassium than a banana. This matters because potassium regulates fluid levels in your muscle cells and maintains a steady nerve response, both of which are vital in preventing cramps. A study in 2020 followed seniors who replaced regular potatoes with sweet potatoes for 16 weeks. They experienced a 60s drop in leg cramp frequency, and when cramps did occur, they lasted less than half the time. Sweet potatoes also support heart health by reducing inflammation and regulating blood pressure. Key factors in preventing congestive heart failure. For best results, eat them with the skin, which contains 5 times more potassium than the flesh. Bake them slowly. Top with butter or coconut oil, and consider spicing them with cinnamon for blood sugar balance. Salmon. Not just good for the brain, salmon is muscle and heart therapy in a single meal. A 4-ounce serving provides nearly a third of your daily magnesium needs, along with potassium, calcium, and high-quality vitamin D3, the type your muscles and heart can immediately use. In a Norwegian study, 156 seniors who ate salmon twice per week reported a 71% reduction in leg cramps and significant improvements in blood flow. Salmon's omega-3 fatty acids ease inflammation in muscle fibers and promote flexible cell membranes, allowing minerals to move freely in and out of muscle cells. Think of it as oiling a rusted hinge. To preserve nutrients, bake or grill at medium temperatures. Avoid frying, which can damage the delicate omega-3s. Pair your salmon with vitamin C-rich vegetables like bell peppers or broccoli to support mineral absorption. Can't afford fresh salmon? Canned wild Alaskan varieties work just as well. These 4 healing foods do more than stop cramps. They change the conversation from, "How can I sleep through the night?" to, "How can I rebuild strength from the inside?" Each food brings unique elements: magnesium, to calm calcium, to regulate potassium, to balance, and omega-3s to restore circulation and nerve function. When combined, they form a foundation for not just cramp relief, but heart health, blood pressure, control, and protection against heart attack symptoms. And this is just the beginning. In the next section, we will reveal the remaining 3 foods, including one sitting in your refrigerator door right now, that have helped thousands of seniors eliminate cramps in under 90 seconds. But more importantly, we'll share the practical strategies to turn these foods into daily habits. Because consistency, not complexity, is what creates real change. We've already explored 4 powerful foods that restore balance to tired muscles and aging hearts. Now let's complete the healing circle with 3 more natural cramp fighters, each with a surprising twist, and discover the small but powerful daily habits that can help seniors over 60 reduce leg cramps, manage high blood pressure, and protect against heart failure. These aren't trendy superfoods. They're time-tested, science-backed allies for your health. Avocados. Often praised for healthy fats, avocados are actually potassium champions, with more than 3 bananas worth in one fruit. They also offer magnesium and anti-inflammatory compounds called phytosterols. In a 2021 Stanford study, seniors who ate 1 avocado daily reduced cramp frequency by 82% and shortened average cramp time from 95 seconds to just 22 seconds. More than muscle relief, avocados support healthy nerve signals and improve nutrient absorption from other foods. For best results, eat 1/4 to 1/2 of a ripe avocado daily on whole grain toast in salads or blend it into smoothies. Remember, the key is consistency. Pickle juice. This might surprise you. Pickle juice works not through minerals, but through the nervous system. When consumed, it activates receptors in your throat that send a signal through the vagus nerve to your spinal cord, telling muscles to relax. In a Brigham University study, seniors who drank 2 ounces of pickle juice during a cramp saw relief 45% faster than those who drank water. Choose naturally fermented pickle juice and drink 1 ounce before bed if you're prone to nighttime cramps. It's quick, inexpensive, and surprisingly effective. Yellow mustard. The simplest item on the list may also be the most powerful. A 2022 Penn State study followed seniors who took 1 teaspoon of yellow mustard nightly. Within 1 week, they saw a 91% drop in nighttime leg cramps. Why? The vinegar and turmeric in mustard create a neurological reset, interrupting the nerve signals that cause cramps. Mustard also contains magnesium and selenium. For best results, take a teaspoon before sleep. Keep mustard packets nearby for quick relief if cramps strike during the night. Now that you know all 11 foods, the final step is making them part of your life. Begin by replacing 1 processed snack with a whole food rich in potassium or magnesium. plan your dinners to include at least one of these 7 ingredients. Drink water steadily throughout the day, not just when you're thirsty. And don't forget the timing eating spinach at dinner yogurt before bed, or mustard right before sleep makes a big difference. Protecting your muscles also means protecting your heart. Every food on this list supports heart health by reducing inflammation, balancing blood pressure, and preventing congestive heart failure. And when you take care of your heart, you're protecting your independence, your energy, and your peace of mind. If this video has helped you, please subscribe to Wellness Daily 365 and share your thoughts in the comments below. Which food will you try first? What worked for your cramps? Let's grow stronger together.